stock a pond properly, you have to start with a clean slate, meaning there can be no existing fish in the pond. So if you have an existing pond, you need to drain it and eradicate the fish and start from scratch. A lot of people freak out about that, but it's not really a big deal because ponds fill up a lot faster than people think. It's important to do that because you can't buy small fish if you stock with predatory fish already there. You have to buy larger numbers of fish and you have to buy larger fish. So this is how to stock a new pond or a pond that's been drained and redone. So you go down to the fish hatchery and you buy your small bluegill. These guys are like 30 cents a piece. They're not too expensive. They go in and grow pretty quick in the pond. We're going to feed them as well. And we won't stock our bass until these bluegill have spawned a few times this spring. And I'll teach you guys how to check that. But we won't stock our bass until these bluegill have reproduced at least once. Here at Sugar Outdoors Pond is before it filled up, is when they were building it here, and we stocked this pond in this manner. So we put the bluegill in first, and we allowed them to spawn, and then we put in small bass when they first came available in the spring, and they were 1 to 2 inch, what they call F1 bass, and that's a cross between a northern bass and a Florida bass. And they grow fast and they do really well. They're the best they're genetically superior bass, I guess is the best way to put it. So don't stock advanced bass. Stock the 1 to 2 inch, let them start eating the small bluegill fry and let them climb up and then eat in your pond. I don't like stocking bigger bass. This is another pond that we're gonna stock this year, and this is actually Clint's added some threadfin shad to his 2.5 acre system over there at Sugar Hill, and so we're going to be tracking that as well. But that's just a little bit of kind of how I stock ponds.